If you are tired of default maps, want to try some custom ones, but you lack the skills, or the will, to create waypoints for them, then Marine Bot since test version number 4 will have a little something for you. This video will tell you more.
Squad, check weapons!
Platoon, move out and stay low!
Squad, check weapons!
This is one of original maps from the mod Firearms, from which Marine Bot originates too. But as you could have seen, Day of Defeat is missing the parachuting feature. Don't worry though. Parachuting was a bit bugged in Firearms, so Marine Bot came with a feature to reposition the spawn points so that you can skip the need to parachute in. This feature was hard-coded till now. You could have just activate it or disable it via console commands or the external configuration file. Now this was reworked to allow full customization. See this. Alternative spawn points positions can be assigned through a new external file in a map configurations folder inside your Marine Bot installation. Just create a new file matching the name of the map followed by a string _ start points. Once such file is present, the system will modify the position of the spawn point matching it during the map load. So if you want to replace the spawn points that are in the airplane, you just have to add enough alternative positions so that the system can find and modify all of them. If you add less alternative positions than there are spawn points on the map, then some of them will stay inside the airplane and you will respawn there once in a while. It's done so that you can modify the spawn points for just one of the teams and leave the spawn points for the other team as they are stored in the map BSP file. Once you have created the external file with alternative spawn points, restart the map. All spawn points from inside the plane are repositioned to the roof of observatory now. So you can play this map in DOD2. If you still aren't happy with the position of these alternative spawn points, then you can always change it. Let's see how.
Squad, charge your weapons, we're moving up!
To get the coordinates for the alternative spawn point position, you can use one of the commands from Marine Bot waypointing system. But first you'll have to lift yourself a little of ground in order not to create a spawn point that would make you stuck in ground later on when you respawn there. Simply activate Marine Bot no clipping mode, which allows you to fly and move upwards a little. Then use the command to get a position of a waypoint, which also gives you your exact position on the map. Those three values are what you type into the external file as a new alternative spawn point position. If you get an error after using the command to get waypoint position, then you're missing waypoints for this map. So just add a new waypoint to the map and use the command again. The Z coordinate is the crucial value when it comes to not create a bad spawn points. This is the reason why you should always lift yourself a little above the ground level when you are getting the coordinates. To play this map with bots, you need the waypoints. This is one of default maps from mod Firearms, only converted to Day of Defeat, so there already is a set of waypoints for it. Just open Marine Bot for Firearms installation and copy the waypoints to your Marine Bot installation in DOD. The waypoints need to be loaded manually, because the names don't match to allow Marine Bot load them automatically. In mod Firearms this map is named PS_Cold War. Here in DOD it's named DOD_Cold War. So you will have to use a new command that will not only load the waypoints, but also remove specific data for the mod Firearms from these waypoints. For example, the waypoint tags for ammo box or bandages. Next thing is that the one who did convert this map also swapped the teams. In Firearms it is the team number 2 that respawns in the airplane. Here it is the Allies which is team number 1 on the team selection screen. Therefore the waypoints won't allow bots to play at this stage. But there is another new command. This time it is a waypoint repair command, which will swap all team-based waypoint data so the teams will exchange the sides. Then the bots will be able to play this map, because the team-specific waypoint data will match the team positions on the map. The last thing you should do is to check the waypoints. The waypoint conversion did remove some waypoint tags. However, that can create bugs in the navigation. Especially removing the waypoint tag ammo box can then make invalid ending of some paths. The conversion cannot automatically delete such paths, because that could disconnect some parts of the map from the whole path network. But there are several commands that will help you fix the waypoints in a few minutes at most. The one who converted this map from Firearms to DOD didn't clean it much. This means most of the ammo boxes are still there, and so it will be easy for you to get rid of the problem paths that are pretty much useless now. This is one of the places where the ammo box was actually removed. Same here. There is an ammo box in Firearms version of this map here. Actually, you may want to delete even the other two paths leading to this spot. But they don't cause any issue in the navigation, so it's up to you whether you want to bother or not. Don't forget to save the waypoints. They will be written to your drive with name matching name of the map. So they will be automatically loaded next time you play this map.